Ahaman. Ngayo lang mo kuan, munggos. Hi Pato, we have like this. This is a papaya. We have also when had a banana. Heard a banana. Musa. Atong musa diri nga dakog unod. Here, here. Here, here, here. Here, here. Humba naman na nimo. See the banana. This is the monkey. Uhuhaha. Dili green hoy kanang color ano. See? I love here. I want to stay here long time in this place. Because like I feel refreshing. Feel refreshing when I'm stay here. I feel like you know the feeling of you refresh your mind. You don't have stress in life. Here in this place. See? This is the farm. See? See? Have a lot. Every single day, every 2 days, we take like this. I know not good for you to came here to reach like this. To reach like this, to take like this. Not good for you because too much itchy. Ooh. All here is farm. Kabanha ba niya? Lakaw dito pagkaon na dito kaw. Gikapoy na ka. Kami na diri ah. Kabalo lagi mi. Lakaw na dito kay gutom na kay na. Lisod na kaayo. Still have this. Daghan pagay diri ah imong gilaktawan. Mao gani. We have also here like this. I don't know what this one in the Arabic.